Are you looking for the best electric shavers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric shavers that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Easy Head Shaver Electric Shaver Razor from WMARK. Easy Head Shaver Electric Shaver Razor from WMARK is a great shaver for its price. This model is much cheaper than most of the shavers mentioned in our list, but it still does not fall behind its more expensive peers. It features a powerful motor and 3 rotating floats and is undoubtedly one of the best shavers in its class. The shaver is a rotary-type shaver, and it features 3 360 floating heads which easily move along the contours of the neck, face and jaw, helping you achieve a neat and close shave. Furthermore, it also features a pop-up trimmer which helps you get an accurate trimming of facial hair and sideburns. The charging of the device is displayed on a blue-lit LED display. Moving on at number 4. We have the Ritter H.B.C Zero Cut Professional Balding Clippers. One thing we are sure about is that when Ritter Clipper was made, mediocre was very far from the mind of the producers. It is one of the clippers capable of doing so many things efficiently. It comes in an ergonomic shape and design. As it is cordless and rechargeable, you don't have to worry about plugging it in before you can use it. Due to its blade design, it delivers a zero-gap shape shave on your head. Aside from shaving your head, it can be used for other stuff. These include shaving sideburns, beards and mustaches. It is one of the biggest deals in the clipper world with lightweight, energy-saving features, and a very durable battery. During our testing, we observed that the battery can work for up to 1 hour before requiring recharging. At number 3, we have the electric razor for men head shaver for bald men grooming kit 5-in-1. This is a good shaver for new users. It has excellent versatility as well. Being a 4-in-1 system, you can shave, trim, shape and even address nose and ear hairs in a snap. It is a 4-in-1 waterproof, wet-dry portable razor from Rosia Pro. You can use the USB fast charger to be ready to shave in just minutes. With its 3-inch handle and 1.4 pounds of weight, it is easy to move around as you cut your hair. It comes with the ability to be used, whether wet or dry. It is water resistant and can be used in the shower without worrying about water damage. At number 2, we have the Philips Norelco Shaver 4500. If you want a dual-purpose razor that does an equally good job on your face and your head, the 4500 is a 3-blade wet-dry shaver, with heads designed to catch both long hairs and stubble. They're also free-floating in Norelco's proprietary pivot, flex, and float and lift and cut systems. This allows the rotary heads to follow the contour of your face and head to catch all of the hairs many razors leave behind and slice them off right at the point where they emerge. Holding the Philips device is nice as it comes with an anti-slip grip design. It is made with a flexing and pivoting technology that adjusts to meet the contours on your face. Due to its design, the head of the clipper stays close to the skin but remains light and gentle on the face. And finally at number 1, we have the Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self-Haircut Kit. The Remington HC4250 is a hair clipper that you would love to use. It is so well designed and equipped with technical features that make it an excellent choice. This model comes in a sleek and ergonomic design that fits perfectly in your hand, letting you move it accordingly and confidently over the head. It has a rubber grip that keeps it in place, giving you control of holding it for a long time. This feature makes it reach every area like behind ears, neckline, back of the head and sideburns to clean properly. It also has a curved edge with a stainless steel blade that cuts any texture of hair. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.